today we're going to draw Luna from Pia's Pet Club. I've got a blue pen here, use whatever colour you like. You can probably see I've got her sketched out already, that's so I know how big she is. If this goes too fast for you, don't worry, you can pause it, rewind it as much as you need. Now we're going to start with Luna's ear. So that is a triangle like this, like that. Then we're going to do her back. So this is the back of her head, down, and then up and along. That's her back. Then we're going to do a tail, and that's like a long, sticky up sort of sausagey kind of shape. Happy waggy tail. Then we're going to do her front back leg. So we're going to come down, up. Then we're going to do her foot down, and then 3 toes. 1, 2, 3, and up, like that. And then we'll do the front of her leg. I'm going to start over this side and then join that with that. So we're going to come down and up, like this. Then we'll come and do the top of her head. So we're going to start over by the ear and give her some fluff, puppy fluff on top of her head. And then top there. Back ear is up like this. That's another sort of squishy triangle. And then we're going to do her nose. So come down to about here. Top of her nose, just a line. And then we're going to go around into her nose itself, which is a nice squishy, bally, triangle-y shape. And then I'm going to do her nostrils, but I'm going to keep those white. Colour that in. There we go, lovely shiny nosy. And then her mouth, start under the nose, come down and up. And then bottom of the mouth is back out again, like that. And then the bottom of her jaw down, and then down to the front of her chest. And then we can go back to her face. Let's give her some lovely little puppy teeth and a big waggy tongue like that. Lovely. Then we're going to go to front legs. So we start back here. We come down, and then up and round, up and round, up and round, 3 toes again. And then the back of the leg like this. And then we're going to join the 2 legs with her tummy. So we're going to come down here, along and up, like that. Now if we go back over here, let's do her back leg. You can't see. There we go. 1, 2, 3 toes. And then her rear back leg, under the tail, whoop, like a tick. Around here, 1, 2, 3 toes again. And we'll just leave that little line there. Then we need to go back to our eyes. So if we do this eye that starts on the top of her nose, around like this, and then the eye, you can see all of that's just a big circle like this. Then we can put in her pupils. You can put her pupils facing forward, like she's looking where she's going, or you could put them over here, so she's looking back at Pia and Harry, chasing her. I think that's what I'm going to do. So there we go. Nice big pupils. If you leave a little white when you colour in her pupil, that's going to look like the light is shining off her pupil there. Colour that in, and there we go. You can give her tail some waggy happy lines. You can put a shadow in here because she's bouncing. You can colour her in. She's a golden lab, so she's nice and yellow, or you could do a black lab, a chocolate lab, whatever colour you want to do. See you soon. Bye.